Is your MacBook experiencing weak or dropped Wi-Fi signals, intermittent connections, or no Wi-Fi signal at all? Well, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So grab yourself a P5 screwdriver and remove these 10 P5 screws from the back panel. After that, grab yourself a suction cup and lift the back cover. So this is the battery for this MacBook. There's a lock like this, you have to pull it up. And that's how you can disconnect the battery. This is the Wi-Fi antenna, and you have to use a T4 screwdriver to remove this plate, and this as well. This plate covers the connector for the screen. You have to still use the T4 screwdriver for both of these. So let's go ahead and remove these both first. Then remove this screen connector using a plastic prying tool, and then grab yourself a pair of tweezers to remove the cables for the Wi-Fi antenna. Then the next step that you have to do is to remove these 6 screws here. These are for the Wi-Fi antenna and this is for the screen assembly. So grab yourself a T5 screwdriver and start removing these screws. First you have to pull this out a little bit, and then you can use a tweezer to lift the Wi-Fi antenna from the sides. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. This is responsible for your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. So if you face issues with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this is the part that you have to replace. We can fix your MacBook connection related issues in just 30 minutes. So come to NZ Electronics Repair today.